Welcome back, friends. Here I'm again back with you with the evening slot review of academic IELTS. So it is the review about 11th December exam. So in the evening, listening was again easy to moderate. So in the part 1, you can see there were fill-ups and two words and or a number. In part 2, there were short MCQs and matching. In part 3, large multiple choice questions and again matching the information. In part 4, there were fill-ups that were one word only. So this was about listening, which was easy to moderate. So let's move to reading part. Reading part in the evening, again one passage repeated in the evening exam. So passage 1 was about the train propensity and there were fill-ups, 8 fill-ups were there and 5 true false not given question were there. Talking about passage 2, it was about a big book review and there were paragraph containing matching information and fill-ups. So this passage was also easy. The trickier passage was the passage 3, what do babies know, which repeated from the actual exam. So there were true false not given and matching information and completing the sentence. So overall if you see the passage 1 and passage 2 were quite easier, but passage 3 was a little bit tricky. So if you want to see the answers, so here are estimated answers. So passage 1 and 3 are having most of the correct answers. However, there can be some doubts in the passage 2. So you can see the answer first was disease, second political, third richer, fourth economy, fifth museum, sixth property, seventh contact, eighth consumption, ninth true, then 10 not given, 11th not given, then false and true. 14th B, 15th C, 16th B, 17th A, 18th G, 19th B, 20th E, 21st A, 22 E, 23 feather, 24 fishing, 26 Greggy, 27 true, 28 not given, 29 false, 30th not given, 31 true, 32nd false, then 33B, 34E, then 35A, 36D, 37C, 38B, A and D. So these were reading questions. So if you are an all students and you don't want to miss the further updates, you can please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for the further updates. So then we are left with the writing review. So in writing, the last one was stable and task 2. It was a bit trickier, not that much, but still it is to be understood. So the question was environmental problems such as pollution and climate change affect all the people in the world. Although global decisions are made to reduce these problems, the solutions are not effective. So why are the solutions ineffective? So you have to give reasons why these solutions are ineffective. And then you have to tell the solutions for the problems that they mentioned. Alright, so they have told you that although global decisions are made to reduce these problems, so they are mentioning about these problems, pollution and climate change, how this could be solved, and you have to mention with reasons. So this was the review about the evening exam of 11 December. So if you have any kind of query or if you wanna ask about the future exams, you can just subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for further updates. Thank you, take care, bye bye.